The word we'll be learning in this section is 常識, which you will often hear in discussions about behavior, etiquette, or general expectations in society. The word 常識 means common sense. It's about the basic level of knowledge or judgment that is expected from any person in society. Think of it as the general understanding of what is considered appropriate behavior or thought among people. The first kanji means usual, normal, or constant. It shows up in nichijou and tsuneni, where it gives the sense of something regular or happening all the time. Think of it as marking what is typical or habitual. The second kanji means to know, discern, or awareness. You see it in chishiki and ishiki, where it adds the idea of recognition, knowledge, or consciousness. It points to mental ability to recognize, understand, or be aware. He acts with common sense. 彼は常識ある行動をします。彼は常識ある行動をします。She is a person without common sense. 彼女は常識ない人です。彼女は常識ない人です。Talk about common sense. 常識について話す。常識について話す。His opinion is common sense. 彼の意見は常識的です。彼の意見は常識的です。The most common synonyms of the word 常識 are 普通の常識 and 当たり前。The phrase 普通の常識 refers to the ordinary or normal understanding that people generally have. 当たり前 leans more towards something being obvious or taken for granted, often used informally. The most common antonyms of the word 常識 are 非常識. The word 非常識 means a lack of common sense or behavior that goes against widely accepted norms.